Hello, aloha. This is Jeana coming to you live from Kauai today, and I just want to share with you some tips about body care. You know, our body is the biggest elimination organ that we have. It's super important to take care of the skin on your body as well as the skin on your face. And so there's some essential things that I do every day, and I got this chance to do them in this outdoor shower here in Kauai. So I'm going to show you what I do and how to use the products. First of all, as we age, we battle with stagnation. Stagnation in the skin on our face, stagnation on the skin on our body. So when the body skin starts to look sluggish, droopy, or you've got scales on the skin and you're getting that kind of ashy look on your legs, it means you're not getting enough exfoliation. So what we're going to do today, first of all, I'm going to show you how I exfoliate. First thing that I like to use for exfoliation is Rhonda Allison's Bamboo Scrub. I use this every day in the shower, and there's a special way of using it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, first step is I'm going to get myself wet. Get my skin nice and wet, and then I'm going to open up the container, and I'm just going to put about a quarter, size of a quarter, in my hand. And I'm going to rub my hands together, and then I'm going to make a nice buff. So now I have this nice scrub. I'm going to buff it all over, and I'm stepping out of the water. So while you are buffing, you could even turn off the water in your shower and go ahead and do the buffing. Now that amount that I showed you is what I use for my upper body. I'm going to do my belly, my back, and now usually I need a little bit more for my legs. So I'm going to grab just a little bit more, maybe a nickel size amount in my hand for there. Rub my hands together so that I can buff it in. And now I'm going to do my legs. Doing my legs. Okay, great. Now I massaged all over, and now I'm just going to rinse it off. Rinse off all the bamboo scrub. And this scrub is amazing. This is what I give to couples when they're getting married, to scrub each other down on their honeymoon. When you remove this, your skin feels baby soft. It's just wonderful. So next step after exfoliation is I'm going to give my skin just a light patting dry. And I'm going to grab this peptide. This is Rhonda Allison's Peptide Spritz. It's super, the ingredients are super great for boosting collagen, but also detoxifying and increasing elimination and circulation. And so I love to use this every day as my body spritz. And sometimes this is all I even use for moisture on my skin because it is very hydrating. Spray some on, rub it in, get that belly, and the rest of my body. So these are my 3 steps for body rejuvenation. This really helps to detoxify the body as well as increase circulation and collagen production and just keep your body skin really healthy and youthful. Rhonda Allison's Bamboo Body Scrub, Energizing Peptide Spritz, and a couple times a week, peel cream. That's it. If you have any questions, just reach out to us at artistskincare.com. My ladies in live chat will be happy to answer any questions you have about rejuvenating and keeping your body skin healthy.